love, you're as sweet as gelato. Hard to find like a rare delicato. Loving you, I can't help but feel blind. You're the flavor I've been searching for. Across the seas, our love never dies. Time and distance cannot make it fly. My Italian gelato, you're my sweetest delight. No matter the distance, our love shines bright. My honey bunch, we are connected heart to heart. Through every moment, we'll never be apart. In your arms, I find hope and peace. With you, my love, there's no burden. We dance to the rhythm of our own beat. Together we create a love so sweet. No matter the challenges we face, our love remains strong, it can be raised. My Italian gelato, you're my sweetest delight. No matter the distance, our love shines bright. My honey bunch, we are connected heart to heart. Through every moment, we will never be apart. So let's fly high, like birds in the sky. No boundaries can hold us, no limit can tie. Our love is a flame that will never fade. Forever and always in each other's shades. My Italian gelato, you're my sweetest delight. No matter the distance, our love shines bright. My honey bunch, we are connected heart to heart. Through every moment, we will never be apart. No matter the miles that separate you and me, our love is a bond that will always be. Our love is a bond that will always be.
Wake up every morning with a smile on my face, knowing that I'm blessed with the gift of grace. My life is full of love, my mind is free, living my life in joy, that's the key. Love, l'amour, amore, the only thing we need, the seats where we go feel. Mon amour, ta regrette, un plus fort, je n'ai plus de love, amour, amore, not the only thing we need, so spread it all around.
In the morning light, I feel your grace. Your love surrounds me in every place. Through every trial, in every space, your presence is a gift I will embrace. God Through the darkest nights, you're by my side. In your love I confidently abide. Your kindness like a gentle